Look at that, bro. Look at that. Faces with brand new iOS update. As you can see, bro, Faces are at 16.3.1. Seriously? Yes. For a brand new update right now. Let's see more about this. Look at what I have here. Look at only face update. Seriously? Face update provide important big fixes and security update for your iPhone, including everything what you can see. Yeah, seriously, really? Okay. So get ready to install this. Click on download, enter your passcode. Okay, and we go. The social process started. Can you see this? Update requested, and you see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see first of all more information about this phone. As you can see, this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max music phone. This is one of the powerful phones that I ever used. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, one of the best phone that I have. My first premium phone. This is my first iPhone. Also, good, beautiful wife. Oh, this wife is so beautiful. Can you see this, bro? Mwah! I love you. Now, let's see more information about internal storage, everything, memory. Let's go. Look at that. This is available storage what now? Nice. This is available RAM. Look at that. What do you think? Is it enough or not? 754 megabytes. What is this, bro? What is this? Look at how this phone look like. Is it optimized or not? Okay, good. Update process continue. Nice. I have everything working very well. Nice. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. Beautiful. Okay. Very nice. Alright. Now you have everything, all the applications that I have. Everything working pretty well right now. Very good. This is my face. Yes. Let's open this image. Yes, look at how it look like. This is me. Okay, cool. Now you can see preparing update. Nice. Okay. You need just to wait few minutes for finishing. Okay, beautiful. Now get ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, bro, because it's amazing. You can also support our channel, GNANGSTUDIO 40, with YouTube super things, or PayPal. The link in the description. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Okay, look at that. Process continue. Almost finished. Wait a few minutes. Look at that, my friend. Look at that. Have you seen this? Wow. Verifying edit. Okay. Wait, what is this, bro? Nothing. But what? I think that the insertion process started. Okay, okay, okay. Get ready for that. Get ready. Nice. Okay, well done. Let's see if it's finished or not. What? Boom. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.3.1. Seriously? Yes. As you can see, it's not a joke. Okay, let's unlock your phone. You need absolutely to put your passcode and go. You see what I'm talking about. Nice. This is a new update for your iPhone right now. New iOS update. Let's see this. Let's see either 64. Memory. Boom. What? This is what I have right now. I recommend you to restart your phone. Okay? Get ready. Restart, turn off your phone quickly. Start to power off. Nice. Good. Now, turn on your phone. Good. Nice. Put your passcode again. And great. Can you see this? Nice. And this is what I'm talking about. Okay, cool. This phone is still reactive. Nice. Now, let's enter to what? Mm, settings first. General. Software update. Let's check. Let's check. Boom. iOS 16.3.1. Nice. Cool. As you can see, it's really update. Now, let's again add a 64 to see memory. After boom, look at that. We changed the RAM. Now it's increased. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. This is what you need to do to increase your RAM easily. Turn off your phone, turn on, and we go. Have better performance, better experience, and I love it. I love it. Okay, now it's good. Good, beautiful. Let's test quickly. Face ID, always good, always powerful, very, very nice. Can you see this? Nice. I love it. And this is what I love about this iPhone, bro. Face ID is very, very fast, impressive. I love it. Wow. Nice. Okay, now I have everything good, working, keyboard, no problem. You can see, beautiful, nice, and now your phone is up to date. Beautiful, nice. Okay, no problem. So what I have. Okay, cool. Okay, say to me what you think about this. And I'll see you later for more videos. Don't forget to support our channel. God bless you. Nice to come. Ciao.